So you want to start meal prepping and eating healthier, but you don't have the time?
Well, we're here to teach you how to make it work.
Hi, I'm Sarah Rabb, and I'm a study and productivity expert who has helped thousands of students maintain the best grades of their entire lives whilst leading balanced lives outside of school. I'm here with my best mate, Amy, who is the queen of creating healthy and delicious recipes.
And we're here today to show you the 5 best meal prep tips.
Tip number 1, make a big batch of veggies on the weekend so that you can add it throughout the week to whatever meals your parents or housemates cook, takeaways, or whatever food you have in your house, just to make it a tiny bit healthier. My favorite is roasted broccoli and cauliflower, or a big batch of sauteed kale.
And my favorite is to keep some frozen cauliflower rice always on hand, and you just microwave it whenever you want some rice-like vegetables.
Cauliflower rice is elite.
Yeah.
Like, actually, best hack ever. Tip number 2.
Is to invest in an air fryer. So an air fryer basically gives you that really nice golden crispiness in food, but without frying it in a load of oil. So it's so much healthier, has a really nice crispy texture, makes everything taste so good.
And you can literally cook anything in it, like chicken, fish, veggies, sweet potatoes. Like, you can even cook bread in there, I'm pretty sure, and desserts. And the best thing is that you can just pop it in, leave it on, and then go to study or go back to work and come back and it'll be all done. You don't even have to watch it.
It's the perfect fuss-free cooking method.
Tip number 3, use the same base and just change up the sauces during the week so you don't get bored. So my favorite base to use is like seasoned chicken, brown rice, and stir-fried veggies. And you basically just make 5 of those or 7 of those, however many you need. And the good thing about using the same base is that you get super proficient and streamlined in making it. Like, I was able to do all my meal prep in like 30 minutes because I'm just so used to the process. And then during the week, based on how I'm feeling, I'll switch it up with a couple of different sauces. So pesto, satay chicken, coconut curry vegetables, and it just keeps it exciting and you just don't get bored of it.
The 4th tip is to make meals out of healthy snacks. So you don't always have to make these big fancy meals. You can always just grab a bunch of snacks and then make that into one complete meal.
Exactly, and some of my favorite examples include protein shakes, high protein yogurt or Greek yogurt, protein bars, or some things like Wheat Bix, tuna and cheese. Oh, I love a good tuna, cheese and cracker combo, veggie sticks, and so on and so forth. Tip number 5, it's okay to cheat. Not on your tests. But what I mean by that is that you don't have to cook everything from scratch. You can use things like pre-made sauces, pre-made rice, or even ready-made meals. At the end of the day, these things will probably still be way healthier for you than if you had gotten takeaway or fast food. And so at the end, you're still winning. But the most important thing I want you guys to remember is not to get too caught up in being perfect.
There will be times when you come home and you just feel like getting food delivery, you come home late and all you want to do is reach for something really quick, and that's okay because we're all human.
Yeah, no food is inherently good or bad, it's all about balance. To thank you guys for making it to the end of the video, Amy's put together her top 3 most delicious and easiest meal prep recipes for you, which we will link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to both our channels.